Okay, welcome to a Obsidian Lilypad tutorial, a Web3 integration for a popular note-taking tool that brings ipfs integration and edge compute by calling Lilypad smart contracts. So to begin, we're going to call an interface called Desci nodes. These are research objects from a popular decentralized science style called Desci Labs. We can do this with the get dpid command. So this will fetch a JSON object of various scientific documents, data, that sort of thing. And we can ask ChatGPT to summarize the research node. And by connecting it with the node's interface, it will climb the tree and inform the AI text generator. So while that's getting started, we can also showcase the power of ipfs integration into a nodes-like software. So this is a CID from the Apollo archives, and we can run dag get in order to display the commands into this wonderful nodes interface. So we can see that it got the first level of the DAG, and then we see, okay, this is a README text. So we can run the ipfs cat command in order to get the README of the archives. And this is nice and wonderful, as we can see that it does ipfs integration. So let's go ahead and integrate this into that and say, okay, provide 5-word summary, and we can do chat stream again. And we can say, okay, that's a wonderful thing to put into Stable Diffusion through Lilypad. So let's just clean up the text there for a bit and run the run sdxl command, which calls Lilypad through our smart contract. And this may take long or short based on the congestion of the Lilypad network. But as we see here, we're listening for job completion. So I'm just going to pause the video for a bit for time, and when it comes back up, we'll hopefully see it. Wonderful. Didn't take too much of time, so I won't bother editing it. But we can see here what we can do next is, because these CIDs were a bit finicky, I added a Cubo integration, which will fetch the PID when it's ready. But for provenance, what we can do is we can take the CID. Oh, it's already going to be generated. Yeah, and here's the PNG of the file. Yeah, so that is the basic overview of the project.